Na tumaundu twiri tutatu
ati toro ni wahorania tuindo wae tukana kigina kia huduma ya vijana
kana wahura ndiru
we gwatira keleni riu ati wingire ku athuri acio they are old money.
Yes.
The men with the enterprises we group where guikia opinion hiyo morania who is this young man? No, ruda ya old money. Na nekio riu ithuĩ twagia twindo twitu ri twithondekagira turuda twitu tondu ruda paradise ti ruda ĩrĩa tu. Yes.
Hiyo ni ya juzi sana.
Yes. Ruda view. New Muthaiga. Oh, you don't go to all the Muthaiga. Atagati akwagina na you kuwezi yati.
You come in with your
Nikuwa mwana ni akai mwana kio araumite kamaki. You know they have a culture and a heritage. Are we together? They are actually almost like family. You know me, I'm exposed near the Ivians to moderate their culture and to proliferate in there. It takes time and a lot of convincing to get into their inner circle, especially if you are young. You might be moneyed, but so what?
So what?
Okay, David, I will let your deal. Ake gorithia hau kereni hayo kana kifereki papa iro mwana ke niki ndege tutia Wilson
Darandi na gwake
tutia no
don't do those things.
We cannot allow that kind of nonsense. Tungekirurumia ithuothe guku uri nguku no irekie. Young man, who are you? No. You are not cultured. No, you would not go with your 200 million there to sell of here. If you have your 200 million, go to Mushroom. No one will buy your fear in Kitsuru.
200 million. Kudukiruga mierege hanini ne Kilimani. For a few days.
For a while. Hiyo kuate. Na ndio. Ya matatu. Wanu ko unangire cia kwire ngari imwe ni ambia icio uraetotora nacio. You know, where I want to do not bite more than
you can chew.
We could give you this at the Maisa Batia. Now I think we have the frustration.
Naniokohorio.
What kind of language is that? Does this young man when the kid forget told they were a waiters matter service? Or what does he mean? You know, I could understand him. Well, I know that in local language, he is threatening to buy us alcohol. Sankuth. Who is he? Atiriri. Tukianja kunywa ne muteme. No, tell him to relax na.
Utagiafura na kugurira pombe. Matikinywa ati ya bia nini.
Mr. Ndungu. Huyu warokire rudari.
Ni around 1 year.
Well, then what kind of wild imagination ira mutonya gwiciria no atugurire njohi? Niethambite. Niekiririe mai mugongo. No, it's actually, I am embarrassed. I need to go home. I mean, can you go to Sherman? Have we become jokers? We are talking excuse kidogo for this sitting. No way communication. Okay, I wish no need the akira. No excuse. Yo komera ku ati onora ale ira kore agwa fa am squad kithia. We have an arsenal. No, places you don't go to flex your tiny muscles.
Yes.
Kuja loilo utuzie
uoga
na tutainunua kweli.
Lakini kuna mahali hata hiyo uoga.
Yes. Tio thikere ni ati rwikare hau na njokire miwa umera ino gwito buabel ndira migurire Egypt kirigi ngiri 200 ndikira miro thikere Tena murothi urafucuca. No, they will humble you.
Na ngui ciaku.
Yeah, funny mongrels.
Bypass you know to how na ngui cia muthemba ucio.
Yes. Nige on a conversation no ere gute overboard. Tondu we oraria maundu very common. Ukaigua mundu mwa break eu atiriri. By the way, Jolie, property ciaku cia Dubai, you still have them.
Una float.
Na eka kanta.
Na tiramine.
Yeah. Na mwalimu famu. Aiwa isyo nendane ya nire. Hino drastra ako kidogo na nitodu wa international trade zile. Leto ido jire ya kukula Moscow through a proxy. Na nedagaria, there is a government official na arenda kuwa yae. But I'm suspecting him. Mdu andwa shone mafia. Waya mafia maria uwe ya turu marigariana. Now those people will make you eat humble
pie. Niyo konota.
Hidu yo kugabite hau. Kwani ona mundu gweto Prince of Dubai Dwe ni arenda handwe ho marathimire marona thabu. Na ona ngari ria iharia area eto Brambus. G-Wagon Brambus. Arandu maneire igire yakwa na nyina wanja. Twecirie
uhoro ucio.
Ngeigua titukari twina goro ati muru. Tora ni mwega tondu kamwe ni igana. No, uthire ku tondu agita na ndekirani. No, athie Kaburo City wetia tata igiriri.
Na tondu ni cemanetie na tuciringiri.
Yes.
Wina mu GLE.
Wina GLE 350. And you are still at the level where we jamunye ni hinya kaya mukala ka a dance. You know it has that function. People who know those cars more than us, they will never do that. Ugasemenya na andu ati uto no aingira na andu akuria gwetagwo kid Cyril kana kirara. Yes. Kaja kumuna ni tauni ndi wa bicinya ai onde na miaka na itathiete tauni.
I know ikarago Nairobi ino.
No, I mean, why do you go to the CBD? Collect the pressure.
That place is chaotic.
No, the farthest I go is Wings Kodek. I had a shoe, my national kafuri. Kondo kuma kafothi tubia katwe kathia
twathianga
na wacoka ni indo iria cietagwo indo no ngihota ri rora kundu kwina andu arika ki
riaku
yes
ni mukuhota gutwarana
you age gracefully together ya kuju indo suru Kereni kundu gweto Spring Valley kana wakora riu weri nikugwira wagwiriire ugathi wakora kuria waigirira ri riria gweta no mucemanio wa estate the estate association ugakora muri atatu ri no inyue nyeuthi aya balutaga kwa aya balosi ya America aya nao ni ya Russia iworia nake ri bakundu gwetagwo UK kaje kumera yes blue
blue
yap is it leaning where you come from? No, you could just to get the challenge, but you just maintain your peace. No, it is good to go in those cities. More than inspiration.
No, akibenya maisha bado ni kasafari.
Na ne athuri acio naku ona matitida gate magikuira medicine tested no ri oraria wona macenjia methomu omwe mauthie hau uyapu woike Okolo tago di kwendia guoya na maku meri. Meri uko sonderie guoya ruiru. Na matangi.
Sika Thika Road.
Yes.
Na upite Muthaiga.
Pita Muthaiga. Na kwa sababu kutoka Muthaiga kwingi ni kwa serikali. Yes.
Actually Peter hapa kunaitwa the former Nakumatt Thika Road.
Na huko unaweza ingia dhome kile kimebaki. Na kile pia huko unahitaji mzigo.
Unahitaji kangofu kidogo.
Yes. Hata huko kina Jadhaini. There you sell fear.
With your 200.
Yes. Otherwise kunja na kure. Kwenye kwa WhatsApp group tunaulisana. Mtu mwenye naweza jitolea kumwaga molam.
Kuweka tani.
Auga de avis.
Weka tani zaidi.
No. It is good to be around those men. You see, they are very casual. You make a thing okaigwa. Atiri molwanjo mwato ile atia. Kende mwete. Kajomo. So kiri andoke. He comes. So they are simply telling you, can you call your friends?
Tokemone. Like, we never have that.